ocean in motion, we're witnessing is related. We build explosive emotions and then we just detonate them. We play roulette with full clips, then we go to bed praying I'm fucking losing my shit. There's no solution, I hate it, I can't take it. I feel